Hey, this is Cool Trains in Montreal. I'm here at Cote De Liesse station, and I will be taking this train here, one of these trains. There's three of them parked on the way towards maybe Sauve. So it's January 13th, 2026 today, and it's only the second day of operations here for EXO from the Cote De Liesse station here in Saint Laurent. I really like that factory with those interesting hump type roofs. It's been there since the days of CN operation. I think they make boxes or these, what do you call it? Pallets. And there's the Stinson garage for the STM and the Saint Laurent sub CN. Same plane I saw before. One thing I do notice here is the finish on the top of this canopy is very similar to what they did at Lucien Laye. Probably the same company did it, or they just used the same finishes. And here's the schedule for the general afternoon of trains here. So this is currently just one single platform for trains that are coming in and out of the station. But if Alto, which is the Government of Canada attempt to get high-speed rail, actually comes to fruition, they may use this as a terminal, in which case all of these industries here would probably be demolished and they would add extra platforms. So this would become the high-speed rail terminal for Montreal. At least this is what I've heard or heard speculated. Oh, they're going to move the train. F40PH. F59PH rather. Go Transit. I'm going to be getting on the train now. I got to use these high-level doors. So this is from the rear cab. I was able to open the door and come in here. I don't know if I'll be able to stay once the train's underway, but worst comes to worst, the guy kicks me out. Should be underway in fairly soon. Yeah, it sounds like the doors are closing. And we're underway, leaving Kotlia station. So here we'll be coming onto the Saint Laurent sub. And the REM is the lower tracks over there. That's Lac-a-Dee Boulevard, and there's the station for Ahuntsic. And we'll be crossing the Canadian Pacific in a moment. First we have to squeeze into one track. And that's the Saint Jerome line, also used by the Quebec-Gatineau Railway. And these are the needle tray buildings.
Prochaine gare, Sauve. Votre attention s'il vous plaît. Une connexion avec la ligne orange du métro est possible à la gare Sauve.